In this video, I will show you how to add a pop-up on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to choose the website that you want to add a pop-up for. Once you choose it, on the left sidebar, you're going to come to website and you're going to come to pages. Now, on the pages at the far bottom of the left sidebar, you're going to click on marketing tools and you're going to click on promotional pop-up. Now, it's very important to understand that you need to be on an upgraded plan to access promotional pop-up, but ideally this is what the pop-up would look like, and you can customize it in different ways. This button here is to toggle on the pop-up after you've upgraded. You're going to toggle it on, and here you have different actions that you can either set, and you can set the goal for the pop-up to be to sign up for a newsletter or to click a button. And ideally, if you're going to sign up for a newsletter, you would need to connect the storage to the your Squarespace website. You need to add some verification and then post submit. You can add a thank you message after they join the mail list, and you can style it here. You can also make the action a click button and link labels to them. You can link a button to your mail list, and you can go back and set the content. You can change the content here, change the header here. When we go back, also you can set the display and timing, so you can regulate the number of times the pop-up is going to show, and you can set it on certain pages or any of the pages. And finally, you can style the pop-up anyhow you want it. And that's how you add a pop-up on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.